Exception or exemption? Which one should you use? That's what we're going to talk about today. Hi there, thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If this is the first video you're watching from my channel, I make educational and motivational content. So if you don't want to miss any of my new uploads, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell icon. Now, before we discuss yung ating topic for today, let me just take a few moments to tell you about our merch shop. You can go and visit shop.teamlaika.com to get the hoodies, shirts, mugs, caps, and other things I designed for this team. If you do that, you will help make sure that we can keep this operation going, keep the lights on, and make sure that we can provide free educational content to people who are watching just like you. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And now that we have that out of the way, let me switch over to my tablet so I can discuss itong topic natin na to. I'll see you in a bit.
Okay, ito yung lesson natin sa pagkakaiba ng exception at saka exemption. We have an older lesson dun sa except saka exempt. And if you haven't seen that yet, ililink ko na lang din sa i-button. Pero medyo hindi masyadong nahimay yon. It was a 4-year-old video. Kaya kung gusto niyo ng deeper dive, ito na yon. Okay? Now, the first thing we have to talk about is the word exception. Actually, pareho silang ginagamit as nouns. Pero yung exception is someone or something that is different from the rest. So again, no, merong isang bagay that applies to everything or everyone. The exception is the person or the thing na iba sa kanilang lahat. For example, if you have a sentence like this, sabi, all the crew's cousins became teachers with John being the only blank. By the way, thank you kay John who is a channel member. Huge shout out sa'yo. Salamat sa pagsuporta sa channel natin. Okay? So, John being the only person na hindi naging teacher. So, again, everyone, all the crew's cousins became teachers. Si John lang yung hindi naging teacher. So, John is the only exception. Okay? Now, another way to remember this is that an exception is one person or one thing. So, one is an exception. That person or that thing, siya na mismo yung exception. Now, I want you to remember that kasi ibabangga natin dun sa exemption mamaya. Okay? Now, dito tayo sa exemption. Exemption, if merong binigay na special benefit granted by someone in authority. So again, an exemption is a special benefit, something like a tax exemption. If merong parusa, bibigyan ka ng exemption. Ibig sabihin lahat ng mga tao meron nun, pero merong nagsabi na, oy, siya, wag mo siyang isama dyan. Okay, so an exemption again is a special benefit and it's given or granted by someone in authority. Madalas itong ginagamit sa legal na terms kapag merong taxes, may anything technical like that. We use the word exemption more. Okay? For example, dito lang dun sa konteksto nung pinag-uusapan natin, we could say that this is John, no? He was given an exemption by his father because John always wanted to be a pilot. So, ibig sabihin, binigyan siya ng permiso na maging piloto, wag siyang maging teacher. Binigay ito ng kanyang father because John always wanted to be a pilot. So, again, no, parang ang rule sa bahay, o sige, pag-aaralin ko kayo, magiging teacher kayong lahat. Pero sige, except John because I will give him an exemption kasi gusto niya maging pilot. Ayaw niya maging teacher. Okay? So again, ang exemption, special benefit, special approval, anything na ibibigay ng iba. Now, that is something I want to point out. Kanina, di ba, we talked about exception. One is the exception. Ibig sabihin, ikaw na mismo yon. Pero ang exemption is something that is given. One is given an exemption. So, kadalasan may mention din, or at least ina-allude to yung tao na nagbigay nitong special benefit na ito. So, someone in authority has to grant it, has to give it, and again, it's given. Okay? So, an exception is the thing itself, the person itself. An exemption is something given by someone else. Okay? Now, bakit natin to pinag-uusapan? Kasi mamaya, kapag mamimili na tayo kung anong mas tama, tatanungin natin yung sarili natin. Ano ba siya? Siya ba mismo yung exception? O ito ay isang exemption na binigay sa kanya? Okay? Now, it's time for a quick quiz. Again, think about that. And if you're ready with your pen and paper, your timer starts now. Okay, let's see how you did. So dun tayo sa first sentence. Sabi, Tita Del didn't like dogs, but Haley was the blank. So actually, this is true, no? I just lost my Tita Del. I was remembering her while I was writing this quiz. And hindi siya mahilig sa mga dogs, but Haley, si Haley mismo, was the exception. Okay? Exception siya to the rest of the dogs kasi siya mismo yon. Okay? Si Haley yung exception. Okay? Kaya if you remember the song, di ba, you are the only exception. So you, ibig sabihin the person is the exception. Now, tingnan natin yung number 2. Even the minimum wage earners were taxed, but the corrupt president's family was granted blank. Okay? Now, ang susi dito na word is the word granted. No? Pag ginrant kasi binigay, no, binigay ng iba, ibig sabihin, lahat may tax, pero binigyan ng exemption yung presidente, yung pamilya ng presidenteng corrupt. Okay? So they were exempted. Binigay ito sa kanila. Okay? Ito yung exemption. Lahat magbabayad maliban sa'yo. So someone in authority gave them exemption. Okay? Now next, Nerai filed a request for an blank from school fees, but the board refused to grant her one. So again, shout out naman din kay Nerai, who is also a channel member. So thank you for supporting our channel and enabling me to make more videos like this. And itong example na ito, tingnan natin, sabi nag-file daw siya ng request for something. So may hinihingi siya, right? Kasi naghingi siya ng request or nag-file siya ng request. So, Nerai filed a request for an exemption from school fees. So again, lahat magbabayad ng school fees, pero bigyan niyo naman ako ng exemption na para hindi ako magbabayad. Okay? So the correct answer is exemption. Now the board refused to grant her one. That's the sad part. Now doon tayo sa number 4. All the solutes on the table dissolved in water with the blank of sand. So lahat daw ng solutes doon sa table, siguro nag-experiment sila, nag-dissolve sa water, maliban doon sa sand. So ibig sabihin nun, kung yung sand mismo, yung bagay na hindi nag-dissolve, the sand is an exception. So all the solutes on the table dissolved in water with the exception of sand. Now, number 5, very simple, straightforward, and lagi natin naririnig, ano ba ang tama? Is it an exception to the rule or an exemption to the rule? Now, the correct answer, be-breakdown natin, sabi Joji, and also, hi Joji, salamat sa suporta sa team. Joji was an exception to the rule. Because Joji itself yon. Si Joji mismo yung exception. Hindi siya binigyan ng exemption, siya mismo yung exception to the rule. Now, a few more things before I let you go. Kapag we are exempting someone or bibigyan siya ng exemption, we usually use the word from. Okay? Exemption from fees, from taxes, exemption from something. Kapag exception, again, we use exception to the rule or exception of. Haley was the only exception. Georgie was an exception to the rule, exception of sand. Okay? Kasi ang exempt parang, kumbaga, sineset apart ka or nililigtas ka ng someone, hinihiwalay ka ng someone from something. Kaya yung from yung ginagamit natin kadalasan. Okay? Now, just again, a bonus lang na reminder para kung medyo naguguluhan kayo, you can look for those words and see which one is the better answer. All right? Now, I hope you got all of these 5 correctly. If you didn't, that's okay. I'll be posting more questions on my Instagram account. So if you don't follow me yet, you can follow me at Laika Maravilla on Instagram for the new quick quiz questions that I post sa aking Instagram story. And if you want the throwback quick quiz questions naman, you can follow at Team Laika on Instagram for those at para sa mga important announcements din ng events natin, webinars at marami pang iba. You can also follow me on TikTok at Team Laika for the educational content. Yung mga quick quizzes natin doon na iba pa doon sa pinopost ko sa Instagram, explainers, mga techniques at marami pang iba. And you can also follow at Laika Maravilla to get to know me on a more personal level sa TikTok. That's where I post my me vlogs, mga tips, advice, opinions ko, skits at marami pang iba. Okay, I'll see you online.
Alright, I hope you learned something today. If you did, click thumbs up. Make sure that you share this video with your friends. Sana kung mag-exam din sila, that way mas marami tayong matutulungan. And as always, if you want to reach out to me directly, get the reviewers that I made, join the online or live review events, you can go to www.facebook.com/teamlaika for more information. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon. We have more videos coming up. I would hate for you to miss those. Kung may requests kayo, write it in the comment section kasi ito, nirequest lang din ninyo kaya ako nagawa. And as we always see sa channel na to, never stop learning. Aja, kaya niyan. I'll see you in my next video and bye for now.